Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Wealthy Mindset. It's yours truly, Money Making Mitch. And as usual guys, this is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and research. I've always said use history as your teacher. Put everything in place and everything will follow. Superior technology, superior CEO, superior business model, superior product, superior way of delivering your product. All else will follow. All else will follow means as more and more people become aware of the technology and more people buy the cars and spread the word, along with superior marketing, the company will continue to grow into a monster. It is already recognized in China as the leader in the premium EV segment space. Now it is getting ready to be recognized as the leader in the sub-brand segment space. And this will translate throughout the world wherever they go. It will be recognized as the new Mercedes, the new Rolls-Royce, yes, even Rolls-Royce, the new Porsche with our sports models that are coming out. But how can we make such bold claims? Well, because we've seen NIO make a chip that's faster, 4 times faster than NVIDIA or an X chip. We saw NIO make the first car company to make a phone that connects to the car, not an ordinary phone, a very high-tech phone. We've seen NIO do the first to popularize battery swapping and have more battery swap stations than anyone else in China. There are battery swap stations for the commercial aspect, but it is because of NIO. We've seen where it is now where the shorts cannot say battery swapping is a waste after 85 million plus swaps and counting. We've seen and we know that because CATL has jumped in to help us build battery swap stations globally, and the King of Abu Dhabi has invested billions into the company. We understand that it's just a matter of time. But whilst I have been speaking, I don't pay attention to what's being played next to me, guys. It is a video of NIO Tripple Crash Test with the ES8, the new revamped model, 100 kilometers per hour crash test from the sides, from the front, from the back, and no damage was done to the dummies on the inside. You've seen all the airbags deployed. NIO continues to lead the segment in safety as well. You see the door handles come out automatically on impact. In fact, China is passing a law soon where these hidden door handles, they're going to ban it. But with the type of technology that NIO has, you can see where we're the only ones within an extreme crash test where the door handles pop out. So we may be able to avoid that that law. Also, someone made a very good point on my channel. They said with the government, if they do not continue the buying incentives for the electric cars next year, NIO is set to win yet again. But why is that, Money Making Mitch? Well, you see, we have something called battery as a service, guys, where you rent the battery, you don't have to buy it. And that ensures that we can sell the EV at a cheaper price. Either way, it's a win-win for us going forward. Because I've always said it, we have the only winning business model. We have the only way forward when it comes to electric cars. Yummy, yummy for the tummy. So I hope you guys found this video yet again to be informational, inspirational, and motivational. If so, guys, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Takes a lot of time to do these videos and the editing. And if you haven't yet subscribed, you might want to think about doing so, because in this channel, we are waking up the middle class for the first time to get a major piece of the pie from the ground level up as to how the games are played on Wall Street. And like 50 said, we get rich or we die trying, guys.